Captain's Log, Stardate November 27th, 2025. Back on Earth, this is a day of gratitude and feasting. It's a day for reflecting on what truly matters. Family, friends, and of course, a rock-solid heat press.
Proximity alert. You have reached the Black Friday Doorbusters. Massive savings are being detected.
Computer, put them on holo. I want a full analysis.
Analysis complete.
What are we seeing here, computer?
Target analysis. The HPN Signature Pro 16 by 20 inch swing-away heat press. This unit features the advanced SurePressure system, which allows you to keep track of different pressure settings for various transfers and substrates. The heating element is designed for incredibly even heat and pressure distribution.
The Signature Pro. Command, this machine is perfect for everything from t-shirts to sweaters to photo panels and more. It's quite the machine you got there. Computer, what's the report on these?
The HPN Signature Series 16 by 24 inch heat presses feature an oversized 16 by 24 inch platen for all of your jumbo print applications. Both the manual and auto-open models are available to engage maximum savings. Our long-range sensors show these savings will only be in range for a limited time.
Captain's Log, Stardate November 27th, 2025. These special Black Friday Doorbusters are some of the most powerful machines in the HPN fleet. And these savings are available for a very limited time at heatpressnation.com. The Black Friday Savings Portal opens tomorrow morning. So everyone back on Earth, enjoy your turkey, get a good night's rest, and prepare your landing parties for maximum savings. We hope you have a happy Thanksgiving.